Hello friends, welcome to channel Trading Tech. In this video we are going to discuss how people start trading and what is the beginner's mindset before start trading. It's a very informative video for the beginners. Please watch this video without skipping because I am going to tell you the actual ways of investment. This video is going to be very interesting as well. When people listen from their friends, family and social media that XYZ person are earning huge amount of money from the stock market, why can't they earn such money from the stock market without any hassle? So people become obsessed from a few famous personalities in the stock market. Like I can say god of the stock market, second richest person in the world, Mr. Warren Buffett, who is having $79 billion net worth, and Indian Warren Buffett, Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, similarly Mr. Ramdev Agrawal, Mr. Ramesh Damani and Mr. Vijay Kedia. How does people start trading or investing? First, they seek suggestion from their friends or family who are trading or investing in stock market. Second, watch the business channels for the stock tips. Third, watch the videos on social media for the stock suggestion. And fourth, subscribe tips on WhatsApp and SMS for stock trading and multi-bagger stock tips. These are the most common phenomenon followed by the people to start the trading in the stock market. Does this ways of trading or investing work? Practically these are not right way of investing because maybe one or two times this way can work, but people end up with losing money because friends generally tell entry point but not the exit point. And if you delay in exit that stock, you will end up losing money. Similarly, business channel gives suggestion on thousands of stock every day, but hardly few tips work. Now, if you are so lucky or by chance if you have taken position in those stock which is moving as per the recommendation, but then also not going to happen every time. So you will end up losing money. Out of all other ways of trading, multi-bagger message tips from non-SEBI registered person are very dangerous because many of them are run by the operator to cheat people by misuses the greed of the people. Beware of such message tips because it can make you beggar instead of multi-bagger. They will show you stock moving upside for some time, and once most of the people believe and invest huge money assuming that it's going to be multi-bagger stock, then there will be a sharp fall in the stock in few days because of heavy selling by the operator, and you will not get chance to sell the stock and end up losing money. You can find out on Google so many such stock which is recommended by some company's name and they have shown the false profile, and later on people end up losing money. How to invest or trade in the market? Stock market is not gambling. It's like a study as we study other subject. First you should invest time to learn the market concept. You can read books of different market leader. If you need suggestion, please write in comment box. I can suggest you some good books. You can take help from Google or YouTube for learning but not for the stock tips because it can be dangerous for you. If you want to trade using fundamentals, learn to understand company balance sheet, company business, company future prospect, their future plan and the company management, company year-on-year growth and permanent or temporary impact on company business due to any new government ruling or business of any other reasons. If you want to trade using technical, start learning indicator, market behavior, correlation with indicator and charts, and make your strategy to trade based on the indicator. Do the proper backtest before trading with the actual money. Do not influence if any strategies or any indicator is giving money for 1 or 2 times. Now I will tell you do's and don'ts before trading in the stock market. When you start trading, never invest huge amount of money. Only invest money which if loses in the market doesn't impact much on your life. Second, start slowly, maybe with 10,000 or 20,000 or based on your risk carrying appetite. Increase your portion only once you can increase money continuously, not only 1 or 2 times. Means you start with a small amount of money, and if your trades are continuously winning, then only start increasing the portion or investing more. It should not be like 1 or 2 times you earn the money and you immediately start playing with the huge amount of money. Never start with the future and option trading, because if you are a newcomer in the market, chances of losing money are very high. You can earn 1 or 2 times luck by chance but end up losing money. Fourth, never obsessed by any people, because when someone loses money in the market, they never tell anyone. But if they earn a very small amount of money, then everyone knows he's earning too much in the stock market. Hope you understand the funda or what I want to say. If someone is really earning money from the market, means he has studied a lot to reach this position and would have spent a lot of time and energy to understand the market behavior. 6. Never try to chase the market. If you loses money, try to be calm for that day instead of continuous taking trades to recover the losses. Chases the market is the way to lose money. Start with investing instead of trading, because investment with patience can give you a good returns. Never go with 100% profitable and no loss strategy, which is available on the YouTube in a large amount. You should always consider there is nothing 100% in the stock market. Suggested to start investing in the Nifty 50 stock, because chances of losing money are less, and if stock prices are going down after investment, then chances of stock price recovery are high. Suggest not to start investing in penny stock. Last but not the least, if you want to follow others trading strategy, do the proper backtest and paper trading on the same. If you are sure, then also invest a very small amount on the strategy and see the result. If it is winning most of the time, then only you can invest money on that. Simple way of doing investment. I know most of the people don't want to go in that much detail, so I find out the simple way to do the trading or investing. Everyone doesn't have patience to follow all suggestions given, so how to start trading? While there is no shortcut of success, then also following are the simple rules which can help you to select the stock, and patience can help you to earn profit, because market do not go straight up, so be patient when there is a dip in the market. You need to use the common sense to shortlist the stock. Find out the most preferred brand of anything around you or market leader in the segment. Buy the stock of that brand and keep it with the patience. For example, if you want to trade in the auto sector, so find out the best auto sector companies or the cars or bike which you see around you. Like I can see lot of Maruti cars in the market. So this is only for the education purpose or example, not a suggestion to trade in the Maruti. So you can select those kind of car or bike companies in the market if you want to trade in the auto sector. Similarly, if you want to trade in some paint company, so you can see like Asian Paint, Bergen Paint are most common name, and you can find many more such names in the market. Similarly, if you want to trade in the FMCG company, then find out the most popular brand of toothpaste, tea, biscuits, washing powder, creams, etc., which is most common in the market, so that can get a good profit. And at the same time, you need to check what is their future plan and how they are going to grow in the futures, so that you can find out the best companies. Like for example, Hindustan Lever, Dabur, Britannia. Again, it's not a recommendation, it's just an example for education purpose. Most popular medicine companies, like in present scenario, the company which is working on the corona vaccine. Similarly, you can find out like Dr. Reddy, Lupin is most common brand. We used to have most of the medicine for those common brands. Most popular software companies, if you want to trade in the software. So TCS, Infy, Wipro, these are most famous Indian companies. Similarly, many more best companies are available in the market. Do your own research before investing. People do not understand market properly and they create lot of myths around the stock market. Like first, most common is it's a gambling, while it's not a gambling, it's a study. If you do it properly, you can earn money, you can make money. It's very risky, while the fact is it could be risky for short term but profitable in the long term. Third myth which people think is require a lot of knowledge, but the fact is you can earn money with common sense, as I have given the example above. Fourth myth is need lot of money for trading. A small amount of money can be made big with common sense and patience in the stock market. So these are the myths which generally people carry, but practically there are certain facts. Hope you understand how to select the companies. All companies given above are only example for education purpose, not a recommendation from my side. I will end the session with famous quote of Mr. Warren Buffett. The stock market is a device for transferring money from impatient to patient. This is a very famous quote and my favorite one, and practically it really works in the market. So happy trading. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe and share the video with your friends and family. Thank you.